gas. Like, how can I go see my natural gas joint?
You trying to see it at the same time?
Oh wait, I think it's oh there it goes. It's on positions. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
I see it.
Oh, that's not what I wanted.
So right now, natural gas is up a buck 50, buck 60. Silver's up a buck 25. And literally, you could just close that bitch. Damn, silver just starting to move a little something.
It's trying to
I
drop
only
for us
did,
or what?
drop it like it's hot.
Good. That's what I like to see.
31, 31 570 would actually be a good TP for me.
Let's take a look here.
31 570 is in that first small pullback on that big move up on the way down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like I have it like retesting that resist or yeah, resistance and support.
I ain't mad at it.
And we moving right now. We moving.
And they definitely were mad as shit at me. I'm about to
Huh?
show you. I'm about to show you where they increased my limit that I gotta reach.
What?
Yeah, I'm about to show you shit.
I'm dead. They said, "Yo,
Mad
you
as
making
hell.
money,
You
bro."
making too much, bro. Slow that shit down. Slow that shit
Damn.
down. All right. So I've already reached, the 3K target because of yesterday. But then to meet the target, I got to make an additional 31.9.
Wow.
So, but then I still can't exceed like 1280. So I'm gonna make like 1200 today, call it good, and then do it again tomorrow. And it'll be
Yeah.
done.
Well, we're sitting like right now. We might be sitting here waiting for that though, because unless something breaks through, because if you look at silver, we're sitting in a like just right to the left on that bullish move. We're sitting in a clusterfuck of movement. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Like, where's the annotation? Can I annotate? Where the hell are you not sharing your screen no more?
No, I am.
Why do I not see it? I'm seeing a picture of you.
What? All right, I'm
Yeah.
gonna do it again. Hold on. How about now?
Yeah, there it goes.
All right.
Damn, can't I annotate on here? Like, what the hell just happened? Like, I'm not a fan of this new Zoom shit. Participants,
They done moved all
chat,
kind of shit around.
react, AI companion. No, I don't care. Oh, wait. There it is. Ah, they changed it.
Hide shit, bro.
Like right in this area, if it lets me decide to annotate. There it goes. Although we're seeing it drop now, so it's not like what I just circled even mattered anymore. Give me enough time and woo! Natural gas is moving too, baby. NG.
Ooh, nice cells.
Yeah. Well, this that yo, this is crazy. Like the way that this shit works, bro. I'm sitting there, like my profit's already almost a rack, bro. and I've only been on this thing. Like I executed
Day
these
two,
trades like 10 minutes ago.
bruh. It pays, bro. It pays.
I guess so. Shit. Although these two wicks right here, I
I
don't know how
mean,
to get rid of
silver
that.
moving. I'm actually gonna need a little more because I need to make up that $200 from earlier. So let's go ahead and
I don't
just
know how
make
to
it
get rid of that annotation
35.
part.
Oh, you're good. I got you.
Okay.
I'm lying. That's not the. Yeah, it is. Here we go.
Damn, silver. Let's go, baby. Let's go,
Let's get to this
baby.
money, bro.
We already over a rack for the
Click.
day.
Hit it
And I
off.
mean,
Oh,
my
you
profit
especially with
said,
you adding gas on top.
yeah, I mean the gas one's only at like 300 right now.
Hey,
But it's moving too. That silver one though is that silver one is looking beautiful.
let that
Let,
do
D,
what it do.
let DXY pull back up, baby. That DXY pull back up. We over a rack right now.
Bro,
Let's
I'm here
go.
for it. I'm here for it.
I'm actually so for those that are watching on YouTube or catch this, I literally just started my top step process. So I'm still learning the interface, getting used to this stuff before I really start executing and hit my combine. But
Mhm.
let me tell you, this shit is not only easy, it's quick, bro.
It's
Like
it's so
I will
smooth.
be honest, I do not like doing it on the mobile version. Like where you save the link to your home screen and shit. Like
Mm-hmm.
it's all
Mm-hmm.
good to be able to access it. But I challenge anybody to do that and then open up a trade and then try and move your stop loss and your take profit. You cannot grab that price perfectly enough. It is so difficult. If you're gonna do this, do it from a desktop because you can just drag.
Most definitely. It's gonna be a lot smoother on desktop. The tool work
Hell,
is easier.
hell yeah. Yep, 100%. I think I might get rid of this quotes one at the bottom. That shit is pointless to me. Give me even more room. Ooh, we I like that. All right, let's keep pushing down. Go ahead, silver. Keep pushing down. Create that bearish wick. Needs to come down to that 25 level because that was, oh my God, bro. That bullish move was so overbought on the five. It's ridiculous.
Do I want to go break even right now? Was it going into
Um,
1030? Let's
I mean, I
see.
guess you
That's fine.
could. I mean, it's
Oh,
far
that's a
enough, bro.
beautiful. Well, here's the thing. We got some time left till this 30-minute candle even closes. So
Yeah,
yeah,
bro. Go
yeah.
to five real quick on silver.
You said the five?
Yeah, bro. My entry is right here on this wick.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
That's nasty, bro.
like like at the top.
That's so clean. So
Like at
clean.
the top. That shit is crazy. I'm sitting there like, wait a minute, that's probably like the best entry I've ever had in my life.
No signs of slowing down. Keep
I
it
could have put
going.
like five. I could have put like five contracts on that bitch.
Hell yeah.
There, boom, 10 grand right now. Damn, let's
Bro, and that
go.
in this one candle too.
Yeah,
With
that's
five
what I'm saying.
contracts.
Like
Man, listen.
that.
Listen.
Now, see, just so people can see, like these wicks right here, like this candlestick that is moving right now,
Hmm.
it's moving, but I don't expect it to break this. I expect it to kind of maybe come back up, create a wick, and then like maybe a couple small candles here, and then drop again. But I could be wrong with the way that this thing is moving right now.
I'm probably gonna stop it for another at least 2 minutes before
That
we get
works
any
for me.
turnaround.
That works for me because yo, I'm already up $1,100 on it, so
Ooh.
I'm
In
good.
minutes. In minutes.
minutes, bro. Like,
That's why I be telling people, you may call it a day. Make your G each day. It's probably more than most is making already anyway. Pass the
yeah,
challenge. Be done with it. We come in this what, day three profit? We 3 days
mhm,
profit already.
yeah, yeah. So if anybody is on the fence using Top Step, I co-sign for it so
Yeah.
far.
Yeah, yeah.
I definitely co-sign for it so far.
It's regulated. You ain't got to worry about any messiness, man. And like Chris talked about doing, I think he was talking about it on the election night about them handling a lot of the tax side of things as well.
Yeah, that's
So
huge. That's huge. I need to find out how to get rid of all the annotations.
I got you because I got the tool up over here on my end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
There it goes.
Yep.
Damn. All right. So natural gas is moving kind of slow. I might just close that out. Not that I think it's
I'm
going to go anywhere except down, but
I'm gonna take this on a 30-minute close.
yeah. Yeah. So my profit don't went up. Let's go. Look at that. That's in a matter of just minutes, bro. Plus, we hit, like, if you look at the 5 on silver,
Mhm.
even though there's that doji
Let me go check it
that
out.
we were taking it down to, this that doji on the left, you see this, yeah, right where you've
That
got
one
your
there.
your
Yep.
support resistance, that resistance on the left, you're probably going to see a little bit of activity, which is kind of what I was saying here with those 2 wicks.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
So, but it's got a long way to go down. That's the thing. If you look at that 30-minute, it's got a long way to go down.
Hold on, be right back.
Only thing I can expect is that possibly we might have the pullback to create a lower high and a double top with a lower right leg. I could see that. Oh, Zempic, you know.
All right, I'm back.
Yep.
Getting food. Ooh, we coming into it.
Yep. See, look, there goes. Stack these trades. I close that shit on my re-enter here in a minute.
For real.
I'm gonna re-enter once that RSI shows that it hits that 70 on the bottom side. So it's not there yet.
Let's go silver.
Yep.
Ooh, low rejection, injection. Let's go. I kind of like that close.
On
I'm on the
oh
minute.
on the 5.
Nah, the 1 minute. Let me go check the 5. Damn, I did not want to enter down there though.
Nope. Did you enter?
Unfortunately.
Oh, yeah. Probably not the best.
Yeah, not at all. Not at all.
Let it hit. I'm wondering if it's gonna hit this 30-minute fair value and retouch that previous wick.
Let me go look at trading view. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's way more solid. That's gonna take it exactly where you want it as far as the 70 is concerned.
Yep. That's what I'm like. I'll re-enter right around there. Ooh, it's pushing. Keep on pushing. Yeah, man, I could sit on this thing all fucking day. Pause.
Oh,
Like
most definitely.
5-minute transactions here and there. Hold them for like 10, 15. Make your break, get out. Show a little bit of wick. I might leave that.
I might have to drop a 2 piece on this next entry. Let's go looking. Where's gold at?
But we only got 5 minutes till this ends anyway, so I feel like if I
Keep
oh
moving. Go to the one.
and market execution 3, 2, 1, bam. And they're like swimwear. And it filled that gap right now.
Let me go check
So it touched. It
TVD
touched.
over
Now it can drop.
30. There we go. What is
Now it can drop all over again.
go about your business, Silver?
Yep.
Look,
Silver
30.
wants to fucking drop. That'd be beautiful. You look at that gold right there.
Yep.
Gold can do the same thing.
They work so well together when they want to.
When election time is going on, and my anything can happen. Market's trying to even out from all the shit over the past couple days.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, do you see the online, like the social media aspect of the election, bro?
How upset people are?
Bro, like it's so I don't know, bro. Like it's sad to me because there's a lot of hypocrisy. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's like so because of what happened in 2020, it's like I don't care. Me personally, I don't care if anybody claims voter fraud and they want an investigation.
They're
But
trying to run that back again.
liberal Democrats are not only complaining about it, but it's like, yo, how are you going to do that when just 4 years ago you said no, just accept it? Nah, if that's gonna be the way it's gonna keep that same energy.
It's only when it's convenient, though.
Right. Keep that same energy. Like, I don't care if you claim for this, but look, we didn't have as many mail-in ballots that were able to be manipulated. You know what I
Mm-hmm.
mean?
Mm-hmm.
I don't care how they slice it. I think voting is bullshit anyway, but this year was hey, it had to be probably one of the most secure because of what happened, you
Exactly.
know. And if
Acceptance,
it
man.
did,
Let's get to the
and
acceptance
if
phase
it didn't
faster.
happen the same way, or if it didn't happen more securely, then ask yourself, well, what happened in 2020? Like why would they allow that to happen? You know what I mean? Like
Right.
people don't do that. They just sit there and it's like, oh, my party won, etc. No, it's not your party. Like you choose to support that party, but they don't give a damn about you, bro.
No. 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 And that
But
though that's on either side.
to see the hypocrisy is absolutely ridiculous to me. Like,
Yeah, bro.
get out of here with that
It's
shit.
it's to be expected with the things the way they are these days.
And it's only Democrats, liberals that are actually creating the division now. If you voted third party or you didn't vote at all or you
They're
voted for
blaming you for
Trump,
that.
then I hate you
Yeah.
or respectfully fuck you. Like, damn, really? Like, this is where we're going right now? Like, this is what
I
we're
just ask
doing?
people to get out of your feelings, take the L to the chin, and keep it pushing.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
It ain't gonna
And
change your
now,
life anyway. I mean, people seem to think that whether it went one way or another, that they were dramatically going to have a financial change in their life, and they not. I mean, if you don't know how to play the game either way, you screwed.
Exactly. Exactly. And the way to play the game, here's the golden thing. Like, if people want to listen to this and write it down or whatever, make your money how you need to make your money. It's not going to be given to you. Go make
Mm-hmm.
it. You
Mm-hmm.
want to be able to keep as much as possible. So when you're looking at what these policies are and everything, consider the tax portions, consider the where your money's going to begin with, like consider all that stuff, because the more and more money they send over to these other countries, the more and more we're going to end up getting taken from us.
Right.
The more and more inflation goes up, the more and more money takes from us. The more price
Right.
gouging goes up, the more and more they take from us.
It comes out of
So
out of our pockets.
exactly, the consumer pays for everything, not those
Yep.
guys. Are they kidding?
Yep.
The consumer pays for everything. I kind of want to close this because I don't like this order right now.
Okay, that's the action we trying to see.
Yeah, but there's no wick to the upside,
I
so
don't like that. Yeah.
yeah, I was gonna actually
Silver's look,
close
I
it.
mean, gold looks a lot better. We do have wick upside on there.
Yeah, well then that's on Trading View. That's not on
How's it look on that side?
the same. I mean, the same as silver. Well, there's a little bit of a wick, I guess, if you want to call it.
Hey, look, a win is a win.
Yeah.
Not a trusting one. Let me see. Oh yeah, there's no wick on that. At least on the 5.
Yeah, no, there's definitely not a wick on the 5.
Got
So I don't know. This
machine.
shit is crazy though. Like it it's ultimately it's fairly sad to see. You know what I mean?
The better
And,
option, man, is if everybody just work together. If you don't like
and
the results, work with somebody that knows how to utilize the results to their advantage, just like we're doing here.
look, I didn't like the results of the past 4 years, but I had to live
Mm-hmm.
with that shit.
Mm-hmm. Had to take it on the chin.
Yeah. Like it is what it is because I'm looking from it from and I'll always preface this because I feel unfortunately that it has to be prefaced. I don't like Donald Trump as a fucking human being. I don't. Oh
Of
wow,
course.
there it goes. I don't. But do I like him as a businessman? Do I think he's a fairly intelligent businessman? Would I prefer a businessman rather than a politician in office trying to fix our economy?
Any day.
Yes. Yes. Like it's funny. And I don't know how many times people have to be told, like, okay, if you voted for Trump, if you didn't vote for Harris, if you voted third party, whatever, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't care about women. Or I saw this one, if you didn't vote for Harris and you're a father, you've done your children and you have a daughter, you've done
That's
your
crazy.
children wrong, right?
That's
I'm
crazy.
sitting here like, yo, people are just oblivious to what the truths are. That man Trump did not take away women's rights. He did not take them away. For one, all he did was appoint the Supreme Court individuals that decided to remove Roe v. Wade, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's his only decision that he made in it. I'm going to put the Supreme Court people here, right?
Yeah, yeah.
They took out Roe v. Wade, but all it did was give power to the state.
To decide.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like, okay, if Alabama wants to be different than Texas, Texas different than Illinois, Illinois different than Washington, Washington different than Arizona, Arizona different than Florida, then so be it. But it's up to you guys.
Where it should
And
be.
I personally feel that that's fair because the federal government shouldn't be involved in anything.
No. Vote if you
The federal
vote
government
properly
has nothing to do.
locally, if you vote properly locally in your state, then you can set the
That's
tone.
that's the other part. People like there was a it was prop I want to say prop 139 that was out here in Arizona that
Hmm.
was to get rid of the abortion ban, right? And it's like that got voted. People saw it on the ballot and they voted to get rid of it. So guess what's going to end up happening? We're going to see a change in the abortion laws out here in Arizona because the people voted against the damn voting or against the abortion law.
Right.
So it's like if people paid attention to the prop, if people paid attention to their state level,
They be
they
all right
would know that you can't blame Donald Trump for anything
for
that
any
happens
of
with
it.
women's rights.
Exactly.
Blame your state. Blame you for not voting correctly.
They only make a big deal about this one when the more important seats is right there in your backyard.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, man, it does. And there's some behind you, actually, which is awesome.
Yeah.
They've got some outdoor outlets out here. Yeah. You want a drink? Yeah, yeah. Ooh. All right. It looks like, let me see. How silver and gold doing? Okay. They all right now. I'd like to see a nice push, man. Probably got to come back into this fair value gap here,
I think we're stalling out a little bit. What's going on 10 a.m.?
or any new movement. Yeah. Silver's already kind of done it. Just stay below, man. Stay below that 5 and I'll be all right.
Yeah, fast.
Grab a drink. I'll be right back.
All right, do what you do, bro.
All right, I got food in motion. How we looking?
I started pulling back a little something, but I was looking at the hour,
Silver
and
chill
yeah,
out.
I think that it needs. I think that of course silver needs to come down,
Yeah.
but it's got a long way to the upside though too. So if you look at the hour, when you look at the hour, we still got to get up
Yeah.
to the 70 before we start seeing
Well, knowing
before we start
what
seeing
we
the
know
sell trend.
about knowing what we know about the dollar, I mean,
Well, the dollar needing to come back up.
thinking something. You know what I mean?
Yeah, is that they're caught in specific areas. Like if you look at the dollar on trading view, you have your
Brother.
zones marked off on uh
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah.
RSI.
I'm on there.
No, oh, I'm still seeing. Oh, you got gold on here right now.
Yeah.
No, go to the dollar. In fact, here, just let me share screen real quick.
All right. You open.
I'll show you what I'm talking about.
Got see.
Let me know when you can see it.
Yep, you good.
All right. So we're looking at the current state of the dollar, right? We see all this imbalance, this big push from election night, a lot of noise up here, and we see it pulling back after this strong drop here. Yes, it needs to retest here. Yes, it actually needs to fill in this gap. But the problem that I'm having right now is this right here. When you look at the RSI, it didn't touch. So what we could be doing is seeing a couple different
Mm-hmm.
things here. Seeing this,
So it's still gonna go down.
we could see this and then continue down and then come
Yeah.
up, right? Or we literally could see this coming up to then come down. But see, this move still coming up is what's going to push everything, what we're looking at down. And I still think that this is going to end up coming down before it goes up,
Yeah.
at least while it plays in that area, because look, when you look at the 5, we reached a resistance, and now it's going to start coming down. We reached a 15. We're already we've reached the bottom zone for oversold, right? And then it started coming back up. But now we're looking just like anything else. I always tell everybody, read this as if you're reading the line chart. When it comes up, it still needs to come back down to
Yeah.
retest, back up. So we've got things in here. No matter where it goes, like it might only go down to here, right? But still on the RSI, this small move here could be a decent sized move here before it goes up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah.
So we're caught in the middle of these things right now. What about the 30? See, the 30 needs another retest. And in this case, if we're looking at so we're looking at this gap over here being a standpoint that's not going to be filled now, but later on. What we're going to end up seeing is this. If we're seeing a bullish move on the DXY for continue to go up, this is going to come down and retest on the upper side of the zone and then go up, right? But what are we looking for? Candlesticks. Any idea?
What you're looking for in the candlesticks?
Yeah.
You broke up.
Yeah. What am I looking for in the candlesticks? If I'm looking for this type of move where it's coming up and then retesting to go up again.
Oh, I mean, you're probably going to be trying to find a double bottom, some type of retest into that bullish fair value gap first. So it's got
I
to
would
come
be
down low
looking,
first out of the zone. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yep. I would be looking for divergence. And when this starts going back up, that's when we want to sell. So that's why we're seeing small moves right now. It's like the indecisive portion is because the DXY candlestick Y still needs to come down, which is going to push the other joints up, right?
Gold and
Or at
silver
least
up.
keep them
Yeah.
in that same zone before it breaks out.
Yeah, 'cause silver isn't playing like I would like it to. So I might come out of here early.
Yeah, I did. I closed it. So I'm gonna wait. But I mean, it was literally
It's all
profit.
good.
$200 here, $1,000 here. Like I already did $1,000 for the day. So
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm
That's
straight.
all you want, man. That's all you want.
Yep, we good.
It's cool. Well, shit, here, look, man. We'll call it. We will be on. I should be on for tonight, just to look over things and prep for tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Friday.
Yep.
It's been such a bullish week for indices. I mean, maybe at most, I might look for a another buy on made such a freaking amazing move. It's probably going to be a BS day for indices tomorrow. Been
Yeah, I
moving
mean,
non-stop since
I'll be curious.
Tuesday.
Period. Just because of the fact that everything is. I mean, look, US 30 is
Yeah,
30 points positive right now. So yeah,
yeah.
I mean, it could be the stuff to make up for what happened during election day could come in next week.
Mm-hmm.
Really good. Tomorrow might be slow.
Yeah. It's got a lot of gaps to fill, so I'd like to get some type of pullback next week to take advantage of.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Word, word. All right, y'all. Look, like always, man, like, subscribe, share, all that wonderfulness. We're trying to get out here. We're trying to help as many people get that bag up, stop the complaining. And we're gonna continue to do our thing on this Top Step challenge. We can show you guys, man, for the low $50 for a 50K challenge can be done. And we're gonna do it right here, y'all.
Hmm. We doing it live. I'm doing mine with everybody, so
Hey,
we good.
live and direct, bro. Ain't no excuses.
Yes, sir.
All right, brother.